Hello my esteemed viewers, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to V Tutorials. Today I'll be introducing you to a very nice mining coin again, which is called a battle box. Battle box Battle box is a free mobile play to earn games. As a founder, you can build a virtual blockchain business and earn in-game coin, which can be converted into real tokens for withdrawal on August 1st. You can see this has been specified here on August 1st. Okay, you have come to the perfect time. Only during pre-launch you can get exclusive access and promo code booster of up to 5 million euro in the game. Click win battles and level up your hero and your game in passive income. Invite your friends and subscribe to Battle Boss channels. Play now. Alright? So all you just need to do is to come to this place to play games. This Battle Ball is one of the most fascinating mining platform that you know, and it's going to be a beta token in the nearest future. Let's click on play the game. So click on the play the game and allow it to load patiently. You can see, click on claim. This is what it has done for me while I was away. This is what I've secured so far. Secured over 3 million coins. I've secured over 3 million coins so far. This place is what we call the end per tab. This is my profit per hour and this is my current energy. So for those of us who have been mining Amstar for like a while, I think this interface is going to be a very friendly one to us. Okay, so all you just need to do is to sign up on this. I'm going to drop my referral link at the descriptive section of this very video so that it can be you can find it easy to link up. Right? It's the same thing. All you just need to do is to keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping, keep tapping, and keep accumulating a lot of coins. And do not forget, always boost your profit per hour, which is N per hour at the top here. Is the N per hour. Always boost it up. So if you come down here, this is what we call a mine. This is what we call N. This is what we call friends and airdrop. The mine, which is where you can increase your profit per hour. There's no doubt. We are all conversant to that, right? And the N is where you can gain the daily rewards, subscribe to channels and the what have you. Then you can keep earning a lot of coins on that. So let's practicalize it. Let's click on the mine. The mine, this is where you can increase your profit per hour. You can see this way you can increase your profit per hour. Take this, take this, take this, and your profit per hour will keep increasing. Okay, so if we click on this now, we're going to go into N. You click on buy. Click on this also to buy. For a lot of us who have been doing hamster combat, this is very friendly to us. It's not a new thing. Click on buy again. So as you can see, the earning per hour will be increasing and my current coin volume will be decreasing. Okay, and my current coin volume will be what? Will be decreasing. Is that right? So let's go to the next, which is called the N. Let's see what the N holds. This is the daily earning. All you just need to do is to click on it, complete the task. It says visit a Telegram channel and take your reward. Visit the channel and let me claim my reward. Now the task is completed. This one is a what? Is a daily reward. Okay, so the other daily reward says, which is the second one, says I've taken this. The second one says I should refer 10 people, that is 10 friends, to get what? To get 1 million. So that is when I can claim this. Refer 10 friends, then I'll get 1 million coin. I've taken this, which says join the Telegram channel. I've taken this, which says download the smart wallet. I've taken this, which says choose a blockchain, and which says choose a blockchain. And I've taken this as well. I've taken this as well. I've also taken this as well. All right. So that is it for the earning. So we'll move to friends. In this place, this is where you can get. In this place, this is where you can get. In this place, this is where you can get your referral links so that you can invite your friends to join you in doing this great job. Is that okay? So all you just need to do is to come to this very place to click on invite friends and copy your links. To click on invite friends, no, you don't need to click on the invite friends, sorry. You just need to come beneath here, copy your invitation link, and post it to your friends to sign up. You can take it to any social media so that a lot of people can use it to sign up. Okay, I'll be dropping the referral link for you. Just join now. Let's keep doing this together. Okay. So the last but not the least and the most interesting part of this app that I'm going to show it to you today is the airdrop. You can see airdrop coming soon. This very mining has been doing well for the past few weeks. Should I say few weeks? Yeah, few weeks. For the past few weeks, it has been doing well. The Experience blockchain, the Experience listing team, the three exchanges, this, and this. One of the most fascinating things we are waiting for is this countdown. This countdown is one of the most fascinating things we are waiting for. It's countdown to what? Countdown to this airdrop. An airdrop will be dropping in the next 13 days, 14 hours, 22 minutes, and few seconds. The airdrop will be dropping on the September 2nd, according to this exchange, which is here, September 2nd. And the listing date of this very exchange is already known, which is November 1st, 2024. So what are you still waiting for? Join now, sign up, and let's keep doing this together. So do not forget, if this is your first time coming across to this amazing channel, do it to subscribe, like our videos, and as well share our videos so that we can keep doing this together. Okay, if you do have any question, do not forget to drop it in the comment sections, either in this video or in my previous classes, or there's any other video you want me to make. Drop it at the comment sections and I'll attend to you ASAP. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being with me from the beginning to the end. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.